Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to overlay picture and text in Microsoft Publisher. So get it started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show overlay picture and text. Now go to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for picture option. Now find your picture. Then select from a picture. Now click for insert option. Now resize your picture. Then overlay picture and text. Now going to the text box option. Now draw a text box. Then type for text. Now select from text. Now click for bold option. Now that is. Then we show overlay picture and text in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.